Developed as part of the eFlip project, a collaborative initiative funded by the Erasmus Plus program, the eFlip model aims to address the limitations of traditional flipped learning and harness the power of electronic resources to create a more interactive and engaging learning environment. At its core, the eFlip model retains the main principles of traditional flipped learning. The fundamental concept involves flipping the traditional sequence of instruction by having students engage with instructional content outside of the classroom, typically through video lectures or online resources. This pre-lesson content serves as a foundation for in-depth learning and extension activities that take place during face-to-face or virtual class sessions. Interactivity lies at the heart of the eFlip model. Through the use of interactive video content, students are no longer passive recipients of information but active participants in the learning process. Videos can be enriched with interactive elements such as clickable hotspots, quizzes, simulations, and embedded assessments, enabling students to interact with the content. Collaboration is another essential aspect of the eFlip model. Online platforms provide a virtual space for students to connect, communicate, and collaborate with their peers, regardless of their physical location. These platforms support various collaboration tools such as discussion forums, chat features, and shared document editing, enabling students to engage in meaningful discussions, work on group projects. Monitoring student progress and understanding is a key component of the eFlip model. Online platforms offer monitoring tools that enable teachers to track student engagement, progress, and performance within the eFlip environment. Teachers can access analytics and data dashboards to gain insights into student activity, identify areas of difficulty, and provide timely interventions and support. This monitoring capability empowers teachers to personalize instruction, address individual student needs, and ensure that students are making the most of the eFlip learning experience. Lesson planning is a critical aspect of the eFlip model, ensuring that educators effectively structure and deliver engaging and interactive learning experiences for their students. In pre-lesson stage, the teacher establishes clear learning objectives for the lesson. Based on the defined objectives, they determine the content that needs to be covered in the video. Then, teachers record the video content they have created and digitize it for online distribution. Finally, teachers monitor student activity and engagement on the online platform where the video content is presented. In while lesson stage, teachers design and implement engaging activities that foster higher order thinking skills and active participation among students. In coaching stage, they provide guidance and support to students as they engage in extensive learning activities. Teachers, then, develop assessments to evaluate student learning and progress. Based on the engagement activities and assessment tasks, teachers provide timely and constructive feedback to students. In the post-lesson stage, teachers design reflection activities that prompt students to critically reflect on their learning experience. For further learning, teachers create additional activities or assignments that extend students' understanding beyond the lesson. Following the lesson, teachers develop assessment tasks that allow students to demonstrate their understanding and application of the lesson content. The final substage of the post-lesson stage involves monitoring and tracking student engagement and progress in the activities and tasks presented after the lesson. By incorporating these stages of eFlip lesson planning, teachers can create a well-structured and interactive learning experience for students.